All right, so in this video, I'm just going to go over how you create a new page. It's quite easy. In fact, it's a lot easier than in previous versions of our framework. All you got to do is go to Pages and then Add New. Okay, and what this is going to do by default is going to use the original, the minimize layout, which I've actually renamed it in a previous tutorial, called it minimize original. But it will use your whatever is the set as the default theme, and it'll use the default page type. So basically, the default layout and the default page type, and then that makes it just a standard page layout. And we're going to say "Hello World," okay? And we hit. We need to give it a title too. My new page. Okay. We hit Publish. It's been created, and then we can actually go and view it. So let's go and view the page. All right, there we are. And so this is using a layout that I created and was messing around with a little bit earlier in another video. But basically, we've got our text right here, and it uses all the configurations that are standard to this particular layout. Now, one thing when you're creating a new page, a lot of people don't know this. How do you get rid of this content or comment box? Yeah, so to do that, let's just head back to the editor here. Screen options, and make sure that discussion is enabled right up there. Okay, and you just scroll down. You're probably going to find it right at the bottom underneath the content, and you'd say allow comments. Just disable that. Okay. One of the things you can do is actually by the dashboard. If you just go to the dashboard here, you can turn comments on or off. And so this is for new posts. Okay, so this is the discussion settings, and usually. Where are we looking here? Allow people to post comments on new articles. So that means that any new post that is created, whatever the setting is, that will apply to that post, and also to new pages as well. So that's pretty much all there is as far as creating a new page. Now, if you want to go and change the layout, it's very simple. You just go to that page and choose a different layout. And now we've gone over, how to go and modify these layouts in other videos here, but changing the layout is very easy. You can just, choose the layout that you want to use. For example, if we go and hit update on this, and then and let's just go and open this in a new tab. You're going to see it now uses 2 columns with a sidebar on the left with our text "Hello World." Okay, and that's how easy it is just to change the layout just like that. Yeah, and if you wanted to, say you wanted to make this an FAQs page, again, you could just do that by selecting FAQs, making sure the FAQs, is in the style that you want to use, and we're just going to reload this, and it's just as easy as doing that, and then suddenly, strange, I don't think I need to have that translated, but yeah, so that's pretty much all there is to creating a new page, and that's how you go to configure it. And again, if you want to change the layout, the actual how the layout is done, you can go to your layout manager here, or layout editor, and if you had a layout that you thought was pretty close, you could always just copy it and then create it and give it a new name that makes obvious sense. And then from there, for example, I'm going to create, say it's I did this one here. We're going to hit copy. And it's now right here. We're going to call this special. Save changes. And we are going to just rearrange. Maybe what we're going to do here is we are going to get rid of the page header title, and we're also going to directly apply it to my new page. So you can apply the layout right here to my new page. Hit save changes and then reload, and you're going to see here that we got rid of the page title up at the top there. Okay, so that's pretty much the crash course for creating a new page. Hope it all makes sense there for you.